Isang maligayang magbati po, Cardinal Advincula, sa iyong 25 years bilang ikaw po ay announce bilang obispo po ng Simbahang Katolika, at advance silver anniversary na rin po sa pagbati sa iyong episcopal anniversary or ordination. Senior namin sa tinatawag naming mga Kapis Boys, at napamahal siya sa amin talaga, no? At marami siyang tinutulungan mga bata o kaya mga mag-aaral, lalo na sa Kapis, at even kaming mga pare. In fact, siya po ay tumutulong sa aking pag-aaral dito sa Maynila. Your taus-puso at walang salita ang higit sa pasasalamat ang nais naming iparating sa iyo. Naway biyayaan niyo pa ng may kapal ng maraming taon at taon din ng paglilingkod, dahil ikaw ay strong as always. Mahal ka po namin at we are praying for you. Happy anniversary po, Cardinal.
Hi, Bishop Sok. Happy anniversary. May the Lord continue to bless you as you shepherd your flock with love. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po palagi. Happy anniversary.
1, 2, 3, go. July 25 years ago was the announcement that then Monsignor Socrates Villegas was going to be a bishop. Congratulations again. And of course, he was one of those who embraced me here in the Archdiocese of Manila. In fact, for the two ordinations that I've received, ordination to the diaconate and ordination to the priesthood, it was Bishop Sok who did it. It is, I think, a great moment for me to have him be part of my priestly vocation and priestly ministry. Up until today, I look up to him. He is the one who I think is most influential in how I carry out my ministry. Congratulations again, Archbishop Sok. You are in my heart and in my prayers, of course.
Hi po, Bishop Sok. Happy 25th anniversary as a bishop. Salamat po for ordaining us 24 years ago. I continue to pray for you. May God continue to use you for His greater glory for the salvation of souls. God bless you po.
Hi po, Bishop. I'm wishing you a blessed 25th anniversary on your episcopacy. Indeed, you are a gift not only to the church but also to my vocation. I am very much proud and grateful for being one of those whom you ordained as a priest. You are still part of my vocation, and your simplicity, your generosity would always be an inspiration in my priestly ministry. And palaging salamat po for always being available whenever our community here in the Archdiocesan Shrine of St. John the Baptist would invite you. No? Talagang very much grateful and honored po kami. I hope your next 25 years as a bishop will always be the years of inspiration, a year of allowing people to become closer to God. Sabi nyo nga, only for Jesus and always for Jesus. Again po, happy anniversary, and we love you and we continue to pray for you.
Hello, Bishop Sok. Happy 25th anniversary. We are so honored that we have been part of your silver celebration because of your courage to ordain us as priests during that time with Father Benji, with Father Alvin, with Father Venus, and of course with the Reverend Matthew way back in 2003.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Diyos sapagkat inspirasyon ka sa amin, ikaw po ay tinig ng sambayanan at kami din po mga pari para sa aming po ministry.
Masa po kayo sa aming laging panalangin. Lagi kayong datna ng magandang kalusugan, syempre po kapayapaan ng isip, at katatagan pa sa inyong ministry as bishop and shepherd for many of us.
Ingatan ka po lagi ng Diyos, maging malusog at malakas. Muli po, Bishop Sok,
Happy 25th anniversary. We love you po.
Happy anniversary, Father Sok.
Happy anniversary, Bishop Sok. I'm so happy to send you a message for this occasion because you have a special place in my heart, as you know. For 22 years, you knew very well how it would be difficult to leave my family far away, and you gave me here a family in Etzalsheim, and you stand as a father. So I keep you always in my prayer and a special place in my heart. Happy anniversary, Father Sok.
Isang mapagpalang pagbati po sa inyo sa pinakamamahal naming Arsobispo, Archbishop Socrates B. Villegas. Ang paglalakbay po ng iyong buhay bilang obispo ay biyaya para sa aming lahat. From Manila to Bataan, Bataan to Lingayen Dagupan, ito po ay biyaya para sa aming lahat. Nagpapasalamat kami sa Panginoon dahil sa nalalapit niyo pong anibersaryo, 25 years of service as a bishop. Kami po ay nabiyayaan ng isang tunay na ama na talagang may malalim na pagmamahal sa simbahan at sa kanyang ginagabayan. Marami pong salamat, Archbishop. Mabuhay po kayo.
Happy 25th Episcopal Ordination, Bishop Sok. Nagpapasalamat po ako dahil isa po kayong malaking biyaya po sa amin. Isa rin po ako sa inyo pong inordinahan. At maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagdarasal at patuloy na inyong pagbabasbas. Muli po, congratulations po, Bishop.
His Excellency, the Most Reverend Socrates Buenaventura Villegas, Archbishop of the Archdiocese of Lingayen Dagupan, my Father Sok, greetings of peace. Last August 31, 2001, the 73rd birthday of His Eminence Jaime Cardinal Sin, you were blessed to be ordained as a bishop. During your episcopal ordination, I secretly hoped and prayed that if I become a priest, I will be ordained by you. And God, in His goodness and kindness, listened to that simple prayer. So last August 15, 2022, the 20th year of your episcopate, you ordained me as a priest. And I am blessed to be ordained by your hands. Throughout the years, Father Sok, you inspire me. I look up to you when I want to look for holiness. I discover the wisdom of God when you speak. I can see the heart of God in you. Father Sok, it has always been a privilege and a blessing to serve with you at the altar of God. To have even a fraction of your qualities is a gift from God. A blessed 25 years of your episcopal ordination, let us always remain in the love of God.